Okay, once again, thank you very much, Jason, to you and to Channel 14 for the opportunity to come on and talk about the pandemic a little bit. Well, there's never any shortage of news. Today, I'm not sure exactly what time it is. I'll have to see the highlights later on today, but the Corona Task Force, the federal government task force, is meeting for the first time, I think, in nearly a month, if I'm not mistaken. And I know that Dr. Fauci had said yesterday that he hadn't talked to the president in 2.5 weeks. So it'll be interesting to see what they have to say. But we know that there is a massive outbreak going on in large parts of the country, in Texas and Arizona and California, Florida, Alabama, Arkansas, and both North and South Carolina. There are huge spikes going on, and actually Texas and Florida, I believe, just announced today that they're actually closing bars back down because of the level of outbreak. In some cities in Texas, I believe it's either Houston or Dallas, maybe both, I'm not sure, have mandated that people wear masks because the levels have become so alarming. So this is far from over, and unfortunately here in Wisconsin, we also have our problems as well. And, statewide, there's now 26,227 positive cases. 766 people have died. And things have perhaps leveled off, but they have not dipped like we would like to have seen. And I remember back a couple months ago when it was projected that the things heated up in the south and southwest, that we would be seeing some significant decreases, and unfortunately that seems to have been just the opposite. In Kenosha, we now have 1,442 positive cases, and 41 people have now died. And in today's paper, it was estimated that Kenosha can expect to see between 5 and 20 new cases kind of into the foreseeable future. So we are anything but out of the woodshed. So I just want to once again remind everybody that that there are practices that we can do that are pretty easy. We need to wash our hands more. We need to not touch our face. We need to wear masks when we're in public. It's not a hard thing to do, and I'm not sure exactly who, but some people like to make it into a political statement. But the fact of the matter is just protecting not only you, but your friends and your family and your loved ones, and also the people that you're around. And kind of an easy thing to do. Don't have to do it all the time, but if you're walking the dog or getting a walk in for exercise in the neighborhood or along the lake or in the parks or in the woods, no need to wear a mask. But if you're out in public, if you're indoors, if you're grocery shopping or shopping at all, make sure to put them on. Pretty easy thing to do. Our office has been extremely busy during this pandemic, and I would like to encourage all of your listeners out there who are having problems with unemployment or could use some rental assistance. Please give our office a call, and I'll go ahead and give you the telephone number to call, and that's 608-266-0455. We have not been able to work wonders, but we certainly have helped a lot of people through this situation, and we're there to help whenever we can. I just wonder how long we'll be here without some significant good news. And there's always been a lot of speculation about that there will be some better treatment. It seems like there is better treatment out there, that there may be less mortality as we go along, but that's not to say that this is not a very, very serious disease. And a good friend of mine, she has a middle-aged son, or younger son, I guess, 30-ish, and he had the virus, and he's a healthy, young, active guy, and he's still suffering from lung conditions. So even if you do get it and don't die from it, this disease can have lasting effects. So I just want to make sure that people don't think that this is even close to being over, and also not to disregard just how serious it is. And once again, I'd like to close by saying that, we know that this is a tough period of time for a lot of different people. And if you're, having problems with depression or with drug abuse or alcohol abuse, and you need to talk to a crisis counselor, the telephone number you can do that at is 1-800-985-5990. And I really encourage everybody who is having kind of a tough time through this. You're not alone out there. There's a lot of people in that situation, and I would just really encourage you to go ahead and call and take advantage of the opportunity to talk to somebody. And if you need to talk to somebody, call my office. We're pleased to try to steer you, whatever direction that we can to give you some help. So once again, Jason, Channel 14, thank you so much for the opportunity, and I guess we'll probably talk to you again next Friday. Thanks very much.